That is so good. Heaven on a plate. Hello, I'm Robin from Wright Brothers. If you don't know us, we're wholesalers and have been doing that for 20 years. We supply 500 restaurants in the UK, including lots of Michelin-starred chefs. We've also got amazing restaurants at Battersea Power Station, Borough Market and South Ken. And now we're bringing that same wholesale seafood that we supply all those great chefs with to your door. I'm going to make some killer crack salmon muffins inspired by Stella, who's known as @HungryHappens on Instagram. Check these out. Okay, I've chopped the nori into squares and now I'm going to make the marinade for the salmon. So the salmon I've used is VAR salmon from the Faroe Islands. Sustainability is very important to us. This is a great salmon which is farmed in big ocean pens with a very sustainable feed, very advanced technique, and is beautiful salmon, really, really good. Just left it to marinate for an hour, but you can leave it overnight. The more marinated, the better. Okay, I'm going to move that aside. I'm going to start making my muffins, get a nori sheet. Dip my spoon in water so it doesn't stick so much. Bit of water on the fingers. And I'm just going to shape it into a nice little circle. And then I'm going to push it into my mold. Wow, we got our killer crack salmon muffins out the oven. I think they look really, really good. So we're going to get them out, plate them up, pour over our glaze. Thanks, Hungry Happens. I'm going to try the amazing salmon muffin. That is so good. Oh my God, that is very good. Oh my God. Heaven on a plate. I would definitely make these again. I'm going to get the family to try these. Harry, you are going to go nuts. Cheers. They're amazing, aren't they?
Oh my God, they're so nice. They are unreal.